everyone. In today's videos, we are going to solve this geometric problem. Here is a triangle. Suppose that A, B, and C. Its side's length is AB is 7 centimeter. Length in centimeter. Length in centimeter. AB is 7 centimeter. AC is 8 centimeter. Suppose that this point is D. BD is 2 centimeter. AD is 7 centimeter. DC is equal to x, and we have to find the value of the x. Now, in order to solve this, first of all, we have draw a median from A point to the base BC. This is a median. No median divide BD into equal parts means that this length will become 1 centimeter and this length will also become 1 centimeter, and it makes a right triangle on both of its sides. Now, suppose that this point is F. Now, first of all, we take a triangle ABF. ABF. It is a right triangle. Now we use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now here hypotenuse is AB square is equal to base here is BF square plus perpendicular is AF square. Now AB is given 7 centimeter means that 7 square is equal to BF. BF it become 1 centimeter means that 1 square plus AF. AF here it is unknown, we write it as AF square, which implies 7 square means that 49 is equal to 1 plus AF square. Now it become 49 minus 1 is equal to AF square, which implies 49 minus 1 it become 48 is equal to AF square, or we can write it as AF square is equal to 48, which implies AF is equal to plus minus square root of 48. Now AF it is a length and length cannot be negative, which implies AF is equal to square root of 48. Thus the value of the AF is equal to square root 48. Now in the next part we take the right triangle AFC. Right triangle AFC. Now here we also use the Pythagoras theorem, means that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now here hypotenuse become AC square is equal to base it become FC square plus perpendicular it become AF square. Now we have AC it is given 8, and 8 square is equal to FC become FD plus DC FD plus DC square plus AF it is also we have to find square root of 48. Now we write it as square root of 48 whole square. Now we can cancel out this square by the square root, which implies 8 square means that 64 is equal to FD it is we have given it is 1 plus DC it is equal to x whole square plus 48. Now we can write it as 64 minus 48 is equal to 1 plus x whole square, which implies now we subtract 48 from 64. Now it becomes 14 minus 8 it becomes 6, and here remaining 5, and 5 minus 4 it become 1 is equal to 1 plus x whole square. No, we know that a plus b whole square it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. No, here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to x. Now we apply this identity, we get 16 is equal to a square means that 1 square plus 2ab means that 2 time 1 time x plus b square means that b is equal to x square, which implies 16 is equal to 1 plus 2 time 1 time x is equal to 2 of x plus x square, which implies 16 minus of 1 is equal to, we can take out x common from both of this term, we get x time 2 plus x. No, it become 16 minus 1, it become 15 is equal to x times 2 plus x. No, we can write it as 15 is equal to x square plus 2 of x, or x square plus 2 of x is equal to 15, which implies x square plus 2 of x minus of 15 is equal to 0. No, it is a quadratic equation. We use either quadratic formula or we can break down its middle term. Now we have x square plus 5 of x minus 3 of x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now we can take out x from this term as well as from this term out, and we get x time here remaining x plus 5 and minus, so we can take out minus 3 out, we get minus of 3 times here remaining x and plus 5 is equal to 0. Now here we take x plus 1 from this term and from this term out, and we get x plus 5 times here remaining x minus of 3 is equal to 0. Now here are two terms. First term is x plus 5 and second term is x minus of 3. Now on equating both terms to 0, we get x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0, which implies x gives out minus of 5 or x gives out plus 3. No, but here is x is length and length cannot be negative. No, we can reject this case, means that x is equal to minus of 5 can be rejected, and only the possible value of x is equal to 3, means that x is equal to 3 is accepted and x is equal to minus of 5 is rejected. No, thus the value of dc means that dc become 3 centimeter, which is our final resultant. If you're new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.